What's up, y'all? My name is Allan Wade, and I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on your Dodge Charger. So the first thing you're going to need is a K&N filter. You can order this from Amazon, or you can get it from your local automotive store. Here's the part number right here. I believe it's I don't know if you guys can see it. It's 33-2460. You guys probably can't see that because it's really bright out here. Yeah, 33-2460 is the part number. So yeah, get yourself a K&N filter. The second thing you're gonna need is either a Phillips head screwdriver or a 8mm socket along with an extension like I have here. All right, let's move on. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, next thing we're going to do is we're going to pop the hood of our car. And to pop the hood, you're going to reach right in here in your console. I'm just checking my screen to make sure I'm looking. And the hood thing is right here, if you guys can see that. And it has a picture of the hood on it. So just pull that lever and your hood pops. All right, now we can access the engine compartment. Now that our hood is popped, guys, we can go ahead and reach underneath here, and the latch is right kind of in the center. It's right off to the right, and you're just going to slide it over and pull the hood up with your other hand like I did just now. All right, so now we have access to the engine compartment, and this right here is the portion that we're going to be opening up to change. All right, folks, if you look on the side here, there's going to be 1, 2, 3 screws that you're going to need to loosen up to access the filter. I'm wondering, do I have to unhook this? I don't think so. So let me begin to loosen this up. And you want to make sure you don't drop this screw in the engine compartment, because you'll have a difficult time getting it, if at all you can recover it. So yeah, just get that out there. Right here, here's a screw. I'm gonna sit it right here. You gotta be careful you don't lose these screws, folks, because it's possible to do it, lose the screws, and then you'll be jerry rigging some stuff up together, and you don't want to do that. Just taking the screws off right here. But yeah, it's always good when you can save some money, and the dealer will probably, I don't know how much they would charge for this, but I know it is cheaper, or less expensive I should say, and I'm saving money by me doing it myself. The only thing I can't justify doing myself these days now is an oil change. You might as well just take it to the dealer, because by the time you end up purchasing your synthetic oil and stuff, you know, with the time and with the effort it takes to get your car up in the air and all that, you might as well have just, you know, got it done at the dealer. But to be honest with you guys, I really don't trust the dealer, so I try to do as much stuff on my car that I can myself, because I don't trust that they're doing the work that they say they're doing all the time. All right, so let's see. So back here, there's 3 ridges. So I'm just lifting this up and I'm opening it up, and there is the filter, guys. And as you can see, this filter has accumulated a little bit of dirt. It's not that dirty, it's not too bad, but yeah, it needs to be changed. Yeah, there's dirt in between here, which indicates it needs to be changed, and that's what they recommended anyway, so I'm gonna change it. So here's the old one, out with the old, and let's grab our new K&N filter. This is supposedly supposed to give you more horsepower. I don't know if that's just hearsay or if it really does give you more horsepower, but I don't know. We're gonna see if I notice a difference when I'm driving, you know. All right, so here's a new filter, and it goes in like this, like so. This is the bottom of it. That's the top of it. So it goes in like so. Just pay attention when you're taking the stuff out so you can put it back in the same way. Just drop it in there. And you can see that this is better, more durable, has a way better build quality than the factory one. Alright, so now the only thing you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure you put these ridges. There's 3 little ridges. I wish I could show you guys this. There's 3 little ridges in the back. You gotta make sure you put them back in the groove. It's really easy to do. As you can see, I just did it. And you're just gonna replace your screws. Being careful not to drop it once again, not to drop any of them. Because like I said, you would have a bad day. That would be a bad day. Now we're just screwing it back inside. One by one. Screw it all the way down. You don't have to like super tighten this thing. Alright. It's a little windy out here today. But how's that for something easy and saving money? So easy, you can tell your girlfriend to do it. She'll be looking at you like, what? I can change my filter myself. So, just replacing the screws. This is like one of the easiest things that you can do on your car. Like I said, don't over tighten. Not necessary. You just want to get it tight enough. Doesn't have to be over. Doesn't have to be like super tight. You want it to be tight, but not super tight to the point where you're struggling. You know. And guys, we're almost done tightening up the last screw. And that is pretty much it. That's how easy it is to change the air filter on your car. Take the old one, put it in the box, and dispose of it in your garbage. Then you just put your top back down like that, nice and closed. And that's about it, guys. Now you're ready to get back on the road. Let's start her up, see what she sounds like. And that's how you change the air filter on your Dodge Charger, folks. I hope this was helpful. I hope to save somebody some money. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Peace.